Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Welcome back everyone. Today we have the cute little lock from NIGG in England. It has a simple lever system inside which releases the spring-loaded shackle. The main issue with this is getting tools inside to pick. So I made a pick from 1mm thick piano wire. And for tension I'm using 1.6mm wire bent in a U shape. Apologies, but it is very fiddly getting this homebrew tools in position. Once you have tension on the rear of the lock, it's a case of moving the levers up and out of the way to allow the shackle to be released. This is a fun little lock which allowed me to try and make some crude tools. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.